Global demand for food is increasing, but global supply in some areas is decreasing. So we need to ensure that whatever we do is safe, that the quality is there, but it's also sustainable.
We're going to have to feed many more people very soon. It's going to be essential to source food from many other countries, and we need to guarantee that that food is safe.
We need to find a way to make sure that the requirements for safety do not become excessive and result in less food available to consumers, unnecessarily high prices on food, or more food waste.
We know that the demand for animal proteins, milk, eggs, meat, will increase by 50% in the coming years because of the shift of more than 1 billion people from poverty to middle class. That demand will create a condition of production probably with dangerous practices, both for food safety and for animal welfare.
When you are asking the consumer what is the definition of food safety, some will answer that it has to be properly packaged, some other will state that it has to be pasteurized. You know, you can have a different perception of what food safety is, and it's maybe our responsibility to give some information and to keep communicating to the consumer to explain what a real safe product is.
The food safety regulation over the years has improved a lot. Of course, it's not so easy because it's extra work on a daily basis for chefs in this industry, but I think it's necessary.
I believe the collaboration within the food safety arena has improved dramatically in the last few years. I have seen collaboration across the supply chain to find standardized and harmonized approaches.
We can still improve the safety of our foods, but we have to realize that there's never a guarantee. Things can always go wrong. We're working with human beings, and human beings make mistakes.
The only way we can guarantee food safety and can gain that trust of our customers is to make sure that we work together with all the partners involved from the beginning of the supply chain all the way to the moment that we sell the product to our customers. So therefore, you know, working with your manufacturers, working with your growers, working with your distribution people, everything is so important.
I think in general the food we have available today is probably safer than it has ever been in the past, and I think this is a trend that we will continue to see.
We should all share our practices. We should all think about what will be the future practices to be implemented to really achieve a kind of global food safety system, which is the only way to go.
It's not a competitive field, food safety. It's a collaborative field. And there shouldn't be losers in food safety, because the only losers then will be the public in foodborne illnesses that occur. So we're working very hard to make that a very effective collaboration where there are no losers and that we continue to grow the entire system. We can't leave sections of it behind, because then we all suffer.